Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your HP runs a compatible Windows build. Press Win plus R and run WinVer so you know 64-bit versus 32-bit. Next, run the official Python installer and make sure to check Add Python to path so command line use works immediately. Choose Install for all users when on a personal laptop to avoid permission issues. Once the installer finishes, open Command Prompt and type Python version to verify the interpreter is accessible and correctly installed. Now you configure a safe development environment. First, upgrade pip and install virtualenv so projects stay isolated. Pip install upgrade pip virtualenv, then create a virtual environment with python mvenv myenv and activate it using myenv /scripts /activate so dependencies don't pollute global Python. Once activated, install project packages. Next, install VS Code and add the Python extension. Open your project folder and select the virtual environment as the interpreter so linting and debugging run against the right dependencies. To finish, run your script with Python script. Py or use VS Code's run button while the virtual environment is active. When you need deeper insight, set breakpoints and press F5 to step through code and inspect variables. This reveals logical errors quickly. If something breaks, make sure the venv is activated, confirm Python version matches expectations, and check that path includes Python. If packages fail, reinstall them inside the venv. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most setup issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.